Hi everyone, welcome to the Arabic conversation first lesson. If we want to have a conversation, we need to have questions. We need to ask and answer questions about the topic that we want to talk about. In Arabic, if you want to ask a question, you need to use one of these questions right here. It's 10 questions and it's all the basic questions that we use to ask questions in Arabic. So first, let's practice and understand these questions right here. So the first one called Ma. Ma. Try to repeat after me. Ma. كيف كيف أين أين ماذا ماذا متى متى. Okay, so this is 5 questions. Let's do it one more time. Repeat after me. ما كيف كيف أين ماذا متى. Alright, very good. So let's continue. So we have here لماذا لماذا كم كم من أي هل Very good. One more time. لماذا كم من أي هل. Alright, very good. So I want you to try this first 5 here by yourself, okay? Very good. So the next 5. Very good. So let's do it one more time. Repeat after me. ما كيف أين ماذا متى لماذا كم من أي هل. Very good. So we have here ما and ماذا. They have the same meaning, but we use them in different places. ما is used with nouns to ask questions. ماذا is used with verbs to ask questions. So that's the difference between ما and ماذا. Alright? So what I want you to do, I want you to practice more these questions, understand this very well, and practice the pronunciation. And there will be an exercise next. Make sure you do it. It will help you check your understanding. And practice more, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.